What's up, buds? Fly High FPV, and I am going to give you a couple pro tips to help you when you're setting up your RGB LED strips. First thing to do is check the LEDs before you wire anything up. So you can take right out of the package and you can grab these leads, and remember that the black lead is the power lead, the red lead is the red ground, blue is the blue ground, green is the green ground. So you can take these with the appropriate battery. This is a 12 volt strip, which is 3S and 4S, and this is a 4S battery. And we're just going to plug it in. So again, we're taking the power lead and plugging it into the power side. And green works. So then we're going to test the next two. And there's blue. And then we're going to test the next two, and there's red. So we know the strip works, strip's good to go. Next thing to do is let's look at this chip. See if I can zoom in. See if we can read this. Alright, so right here we've got the leads for the strip. They're going to go right here. So right here in the corner is power. That's going to get your black lead, green, red, and blue. They just wire straight to that, nice and easy. Around this side of the chip is going to be the chip supply. This is all the wires going into it from your flight controller. Starting on this end, that's the one that goes off to the LED. Right here, this is going to be VBAT power. So in my case, it's going to be full VBAT to the ESC, and I'm going to take power right from the ESC. It'll be 4S in this one. If you're running 6S, it'll be 6S directly to this pad. The next pad over is 5 volts. That's going to power the chip on this chip, and it just needs to be 5 volts from your flight controller. Ground can be any ground on the quad. The LED in is going to come from the LED pad on your flight controller. It's going to wire straight up into this, and then if you have more addressable LEDs, then you can wire out from this pad LED out into the next LED. If you wanted to daisy chain multiples of these chips together, you can, and they'll just one in series after another, LED in and out of this one, and into the next and out of that one, and into the next and out of that one. Now, of course, I made 4-in-1 chips so that you wouldn't have to do that, but they are compatible with other RGB chips. So if you want to run a bunch of RGBs on your quad, you can just put this in series with the rest, and it has proper pass-through. That's pretty much it though. After I get it all soldered on, I like to conformal coat it, put a little piece of heat shrink on it, and then tape it down somewhere, usually with VHB tape, to secure it inside my quad. And before I put the strip on, I like to clean off the edge of my frame with isopropyl alcohol, just so it sticks on there really good. You really only get one chance with the 3M sticky tape that's on the back of this, and so you want to make sure your frame's nice and clean before you apply it. It's the only time I'll ever tell you to clean your frame, is right before you stick your LEDs on. Have a great fucking day, boys, and hit me up if you need a hand with anything. LEDs, batteries, drones, I do it all, and I'm always happy to help.